Farmer can get more benefits wetland will not be watered when we keep the sensor in the
Myself, Naveen. I am studying in 9th standard, APJ Abdul Kalam Residential School, Kondajji, Harihar Taluk, Davangere district. Our science project named Human Impact on Environment. Human impact on environment or orthopegonic impact refers to changes to biophysical environments and to ecosystems, biodiversities and natural resources caused by daily life and indirectly on environment. First, about our past. In ancient time, our ancestors also lives in houses. The houses are built between the forests. We know that our ancestors live for 100 years or 200 years above because they have fresh air, fresh water and fresh food to eat. In nowadays, in our time, we didn't have fresh water or fresh air or fresh food like our ancestors. We are living in an electricity world because the cause of deforestation and urbanization. According to 1999 census, in 1999 we have 16 billion of trees in earth in India. But nowadays we have only 6 billion of trees in India because the cause of deforestation and urbanization. In present, we didn't live without an electricity because the main important point of present is the electricity. We want to do our work easy from electricity. Example, the use of washing machine, fridges, oven and etc. The humans try to do their work easy because they are preparing robots, varieties of robots and plenties of robots and variety types of robots to do their work. The humans prepare the robots because of because to make the robots as their servants, because the humans make their robots. The overuse of robots, it can be possible that the the robots are not then human servants. The humans or the robot servants. This is possible when the overuse of robots can possible. To avoid these types of eras and to control electronicism and to control robotism of in our earth, we want to save our environment and we want to save our trees and we want to avoid unwanted factories and we want to avoid some electrical items and we want to do some self works as we live. We want to grow technology and save environment.